In this lookalike campaign, what we're doing is taking one of our like super successful customers, then running a search to find companies that look like them. We're going to find their contact info. And then for every single person, we'll generate an AI personalized video saying, hey, first name, and like showing a little bit about how we're helping that company similar to them. And then we'll send that out in an email sequence. I think this is like pretty low hanging fruit. If you do have those case studies, marketing took the time to create those case studies and all that for you. Why not get the most value out of it and strengthen your outbound too? So we're using Ocean for the lookalikes. They're great. I haven't used any of the platforms because they've been so good that we haven't had to. And then for our like awesome customer, we're using Warmly. They've been a customer with us for a long time. They have really great results. And in particular, they've run a couple campaigns that have just gotten insane results. So we're going to highlight those campaigns. We got a case study video from their head of RevOps and may as well show it off. So in Ocean, we're doing this lookalike audience to search for Warmly. I have filters set up based around the job title, like the department. So I'll show what we're looking for. So we're looking for like head of sales, like these titles, department. We're looking for sales, like locations, people in English speaking countries. And then what else do we have? So we don't honestly have like a ton set. We're just keeping this pretty simple, pretty broad. And then that actually is going to pull up a ton of people at each company, right? Because they have a ton of salespeople, even in higher positions. So I have this to limit to one contact per company, just so we're not hitting up like too many people at the same company. And then this still, even from this one campaign with the limits, gives us 7,000 people. So that's a lot. This is a newer campaign with us, so we're not starting with all 7,000. We're going to test it out with a smaller number first. So what we can do is first we want to start by getting their email because we're going to need that in order to email them. So I can do that by not hitting export. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to just select this page, which is 50, and then I'll hit reveal contacts. We're not doing cold calls right now, so I'm not going to reveal the phone numbers. I just want the emails, and I can hit reveal. And this is going to pull up the emails for every single one. I'll get an email when this is done, but it happens pretty quick, so we'll just hang here and wait. Cool. And then what we want to do is hit export, download as a CSV. And again, we'll just give it 1 second, save CSV. And that shows up in the notifications, which I'm hiding behind my camera. And pretty quick, I can download these. So, okay, great. I have the contacts, I have the emails. Now what I want to do is create the Sendspark videos for them. I have this template set up from one of our sales reps who's going to be the one reaching out and handling the replies. And then what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I'll upload this CSV. I can map in all of the fields. So like first name to, first name, email to person email, company to company, job title to person title, and lastly, the background URL. It's going to make it look like we're recording over this, and I'm going to use the domain for this. Where it is? Here it is. Beautiful. If I'm missing any URLs, I'll just grab it from the email domain, so I'll click that. And this should import those people in here. The first time doing this, definitely do a test video. And actually, I can look here and see some of this data is not like perfect because we're going to say that first name in the video. We definitely don't want to say Martin P. So I'll do a quick skim and just manually fix this. Usually there's a couple that need to be fixed, but not a ton. Maybe just like that. I mean, remember, this is random data off the internet. We want to clean it. Okay, cool. Again, first time doing this, I would test 3 to just make sure it all sounds good, but I've already made 100 videos from this campaign, so I'll just click to generate all. And then this will upload in 12 minutes. Don't worry, I won't make you wait this long, but I'll just show you what happens next. So after those videos generate, what I would do is download this CSV, which is only going to include the videos that like generated successfully, which I mean should be all of them, but there might be a couple where we had trouble like scraping that website or something. So I'm going to download this CSV. This has the 100 I did before, not the 50 that we just added. We can see those ones are still processing. And then I'll go ahead and start, but for demo purposes, I'll show you how you would go about sending this in an email campaign. So we have this campaign set up in Smart Lead here. And since this is totally cold, we're actually not sending videos or any links in the first email. The second email, we're waiting till the third email. And then here we have this video placeholder. You can get this video placeholder in Sendspark by clicking share campaign and then grabbing the snippet for that email platform. And you can see we are using Smart Lead here, but if you're using a different platform, we have a ton of different integrations. And the way you would know how to share in that platform is clicking on it and then watching the little demo video embedded here. And it's pretty similar for each platform, but might be a smidge different. So just make sure to watch that the first time you're sending in a different platform. But for Smart Lead, what we'll do is we'll copy the image URL and paste this. This pastes like a video placeholder, but you can see it's not linked. And we want to make sure that when people receive this email, they're able to click and watch that video in the browser. So we'll also grab this video URL here, and then we'll just link this and make that all look good. And then I'm actually not going to save this because I just realized this is actually sending out to people. So let me not touch that. But what you would then do is go to the final review, and then here you can like click on the contact you want to preview, and then just jump to that third email. And then we'll see that every person has that video made for them. And the way this will look if they click on it, I'm just going to click on this random video, is they'll see everything we set up on that page. So the demo calendar embedded, the text, the button, and they'll hear their own name with Amna's cloned voice with AI.
Hey Jessica, wanted to send you this quick video showing you how Sendspark can increase your cold email reply rate by 3.
So that's one, and then I'll just click on a different one so you can see a different name.
Hey Ryan, wanted to send you this quick video showing you how Sendspark can increase your cold email reply rate.
So that's how it works at a high level. And then of course, like in the messaging, I'm not like sharing a ton of the messaging in the email campaigns, but just keep in mind, you really do want to link it back to that original like case study and the reason you're reaching out and how you'll help people similar to them. So hope this helps kind of warm up your cold email and get you some awesome reply rates. All right, cheers.